Okay, so today is the day I'm going to defrost this upright freezer. And how I do that is that we have these really big little coolers. We have two of them. And I usually put everything that's inside the freezer inside the coolers while I defrost the upright freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to put everything into the coolers. So then what I do is I have my utility tub right there next to the wash machine. I fill up a couple buckets with really hot tap water. Then I place it into the freezer. It is shut off. And then we start the melting process. And I'm going to let that sit in there for about 15 minutes. Put more hot water in there. And just keep repeating this process and I'll bring you along for that. And as you can see, it works. It's slow, but it works. We're going to get rid of the big chunk today. And you never use anything metal to scrape your grates, especially when you have the mechanism. You see here, this is part of the mechanism to keep your refrigerator cold, and you'll damage it. So you never use anything metal, but you can use plastic. So when it gets to the time where I can actually start scraping some of the ice chunks, I use a plastic spatula for that. Okay, so I'm done with the upright freezer. I've turned it back on. Got a mess kind of, but that's okay. We'll get it all cleaned up later. I'm going to connect everything back that needs to be connected. This is an alarm that we have. Put that back in there. So here it's finished. It's nice and clean. No more big ice chunk. Everything's clean. This cord is just an alarm that we have set up on there that you can just buy over the counter. But we have room. This is a must eat up first. Some of the stuff that I found. The rest of this is stuff that is not immediate. This whole thing, except for the top, the cake, this is all cheese. Shredded cheddar, shredded mozzarella. This is made up mashed potatoes that are just recent, so they're good. But I have room here and a little here that I can start making some freezer meals. And it will probably include some of the things that are in these buckets, so it'll bring them down as well. But here's the must eat up first. I just put the taco meat that we're going to be taking to that gathering just on top of that, because that's going to be in another week here or so. So I'm going to get a Post-it note and put must eat first on that one. And we're good. The upright freezer is defrosted. I am so happy. I want to thank you for joining me today while I defrosted this upright freezer. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. and I do plan on bringing more videos to you. And you make it a great day.